Hi guys, this is Jolt. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the factory gun of the lens of the Karcher K3 or any other Karcher for that matter to one of these quick connect guns. Yeah, so let's just go ahead. So basically what I need to do is I need to remove the original one, and then I've got an adapter. This one came with this particular gun. I applied some Teflon tape on the thread, and of course I just screwed the adapter on, and I'm just going to connect the original Karcher cable here. So should be easy as pie. As I said, it was easy as pie. I just quickly hook it up, and then we are going to check out these 3 nozzles that came with the gun. Okay, so you've seen the results. The yellow says 15 degrees, the green 25, and the white 40 degrees. And that's exactly what we experience now in the video. The yellow was the narrowest, then the green was something in the middle, and the white was the widest. So yeah, basically that's it. From now on, in the new videos, you are going to see this new setup. So I'm going to use, well, mostly the white one, but we will see. Maybe I'm also going to use the green and the yellow at some point. But I'm not going back so far to the old factory Karcher installation. So yep, that's it guys. If you like this very short video, then give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of these kind of videos. Thank you for your time, and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.